What's up, YouTube? In this video, I'm gonna be giving my first impressions plus instructions on the FashionFlex color changing HTV. Yes, I said it, color changing HTV. So as we all know, the weather is changing and it's time for us to bring out the light fabrics. I've been hearing a lot about this FashionFlex color changing HTV, so I figured it was time for me to check it out ASAP. I ain't got a lot of time, you ain't got a lot of time, but the great thing about YouTube is you slow the video down, you can rewind the video, you can fast forward the video. Nevertheless, I shouldn't have to slow down in order for you to catch up. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about clothing creation for both crafters and retail sales. So, how do we apply the FashionFlex light color changing HTV? Following the instructions found on Heat Transfer Warehouse's website, we're going to use the application instructions below that are under the description for both the Cricut Silhouette and the CE600. Now I'm going to jump straight into the Cricut design space. Instructions state set materials to iron on for Cricut. I take that as regular settings and regular pressure. Now this may vary if you have a dull knife for your Cricut, so watch for that. It's always safe to do a test cut. Let's see how it weeds. So, don't pay this, don't never mind here. I picked up a little gadget to help me save time, and I'll leave this gadget in the link below, but this is a suction cup scrap vinyl collector. So it stops me from getting tiny vinyl particles all over my transfer paper, garments, and work area. You know, it's like ultimately stopping me from creating imperfections in my products, which is like the goal. You know what I mean? It also acts as a decent craft tool holder as well. Alright, so at this point we're ready for placement. I'm trying something a little bit different here. So I want to do something dangerous, which is, you know, what you can do when you make a shirt for yourself. I'll be trying white on white because this is supposed to do UV blue, so light blue, so white on white, and then when I walk outside you'll see the blue. I think that'll be a hit for me personally. So for that, I'll be using a white 3001 Bella+Canvas t-shirt. This is a great retail quality, solid color, 100% heirloom comb, ring spun cotton, also shoulder taping with the tearaway tag, label, and side seam. Bella+Canvas 301 tees can be purchased at Heat Transfer Warehouse. It will be linked in the description below, but don't go away right now, right? Because we're getting ready to press this bad boy. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on the heat press and get my pre-press. And while that's pre-pressing, I got my heat press heating up to 300 degrees. 302 because I just need to make sure it's hot all the way around my heat press. All right, y'all. So I got my heat press at 302 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on here. I'm gonna throw this on here for 10 to 12 seconds. Ooh. It didn't say hot, it said warm, so I'm gonna let it cool off for a little bit. There we have it. You see the blue? Nice light blue too. Let me see. So this is like supposed to be pastel blue, and it's hard to see, so I'm gonna have to get it outside. So here it is. We're getting ready to walk outside with it and let it hit the sunlight. I know it's gonna change. Oh, snaps. Here's the sun. Ooh-wee, look at that. From white to blue. Yo, no doubt, I definitely can sell this, especially if I could get somebody person to person, you know, if I can get in one of those arenas where I'm actually selling directly to a person, which is something I'm better at anyway. But since you made it to the end of the video, feel free to comment and let me know if you do sell garments. Like, is it easier for you to sell person to person, or is it easier for you to sell online? I'm dying to know. Thanks for watching. Please don't be afraid to use any of the affiliate links below. Also, don't be afraid to comment, like, subscribe, and share the video. Until next time, y'all. Peace.